Oh, I thought I'd document this momentous occasion. I bought myself a dishwasher. Well, it wasn't it's not one of the big ones. It's one of those ones for RVs. But I'm going to set you on the counter, and it's out there on the porch waiting for me to grab it. Me or the neighbors. So I'm going to grab it. Guess I better put a coat on. I'm complaining I'm sick in my last video, but I can't believe I can find the whole set of this. She gave me this 2 years ago. Didn't fit me then. Now it kind of does. It's just kind of too... Hello, cat! Nobody could see anything but your fuzzy body. Brat. I have to go get my coat on, too. You're a turkey. Nobody wants your butt in their... Come on, move! Charlie, get away. Get away. You're a butthole. Take pot. I know it's really big. It's a 2X. It says Reebok on it. I got it for $7.50 on the yellow tag rack at Walmart yesterday. It's got a hood and it's got room for another jacket or a couple sweaters under it. I've told you I like to layer my clothes, so let's go get this off the porch and see what's in the box. Did he pick up that pin, right? Oh. Yeah, that's right. I told you so. Yeah. That's right, Dor. You listen to me. I'm the boss. That's heavier than I thought it was going to be. It doesn't feel like it's portable. My least favorite chore in the world is dishes. And I'm sure I've mentioned that before. So I got into looking at these portable things because Bina told me about portable washing machines, and I thought I'd get me one of these too, because no thank you. They set you up here on the counter, or maybe even on the microwave where all you see is my head bobbing around. But get you out of the way, and we'll open this box. I don't know where I'm going to set the thing because I'm not sure how big it is right this minute. Charlie, well, I didn't even show you what the box looked like. My cat wants in it, right? Brand new box. Oh, no, don't you eat that plastic. That a mama's. No, that's a mama's. Wait a minute, you guys. Have a look at my table. Should probably dig these out later, but I just don't want her eating them. And I don't know where to put you to open this box. So because I have no place to set it. Maybe I'll do it in here. No, I'm not going to turn that light on. This is enough light for you guys to see. You? What are you doing? Hey! That's mine. Got her. Jump in, naughty today. I don't like it. You want some tea tree oil? Let you snoot it. I didn't do these because I was anticipating that would be here today. And I bought dishwasher packs. So, woohoo, go me. I have to find a way to set you up. My go-to thinking song, I'm not allowed to sing it on YouTube because it's copyrighted. Quickie, I don't know what you want, Bubba Boy. But after a while, I'll give you guys some catnip and you can beat the heck out of each other. She's the one that does it's rough. He's like, no, leave me alone. And she's like, no, I'm gonna kick your butt, Squeaky. I guess we'll just use my glasses box because I don't know where my other thing is. And since my box is already open, I can just rip it open on the side. You still can't see what I'm doing. Do. I even have an empty bucket. That's empty enough. Add a scarf in it. Put you on a bucket down here and you can watch me open this thing, hopefully, maybe. You see what I'm doing, maybe? If I put it this way, maybe? Hello? Well, maybe. Now you guys get to go sideways. And fall over. Nope. That's not going to work. We're just going to have to deal with... See if I did it that way. You could see what I'm doing better. Okay. So that's already partially open. Here we go again with the styrofoam collection. Oh, I can't stand the stuff, but I can't stand throwing it away either. How in the heck did it get here at 10 o'clock in the morning? I don't know. Almost had a paper cut on my toe. Here you go, kitties. You want to play in that box? So, for you, you can play with that for a couple of days. Yay, styrofoam. I guess I better save the instructions. Yay, more styrofoam. And of course, I save these wonderful bags. I love it when they deliver stuff on rainy days because they have an extra plastic bag in there and I can throw it away. Okay, there she is. It's actually not that tiny for what I want to do with it. I had a full-size one for... I better leave that tape on there until I move it. So the wonderful thing about this one, because my faucets are so old and corroded from lime, is I can top fill it. Oh. I'm probably going to put that where the aloe plant is. Maybe. I don't know if there's enough room for it there. But I'm going to move the aloe plant anyway, so let's move the aloe plant. Squeaky, that's a mama's. You don't need that. You don't even have thumbs. So don't start with me. No, I don't think that's going to fit there. Because that spot just looks too small to me. So you sit on my counter and watch me babble on again about where I'm going to put the thing now that I look at my toaster. Still, okay. So it might fit where the coffee pot is. I really, honestly should have had this clean. I'm probably going to put it where I'm going to put the coffee pot over there. Put the dishes in the sink at the moment because I'm going to have to rinse them all out. Because that's how dishwashers work. You have to wash dishes twice if you use a dishwasher. You can't just leave the chunks on. So that can go over here by the aloe. Oh, that spot right there where the coffee is where my other, where the coffee is where my other air fryer started on fire, and I'm scared to death to put the air fryer back there. I mean, that's kind of logical to be scared of that, but so we're gonna take this out, put it over here, because in reality that stuff really needs to be washed at the moment. And guess what? You're on top of what I was going to move, so I had to move you again. Wouldn't it be neat to have like multi-billion dollars of equipment to rotate while you're trying to do a video for you? Me, I'm just trying to entertain my friends. For some odd reason, they're really flippin' nosy and have to know what I'm doing during the day. It's like the same thing everybody else does. Try and take over the world. Yeah, I know. I quoted Pinky and the Brain. One of my favorite little 90s things. Oh, yeah, sure. Set it on top of the thing that you're going to move. Oh. I don't think there's enough in there to worry about. I bought a pre-roll and there's crumbs in there, but I don't think there's enough in there to really worry about. So I'm just gonna, I don't need to save it. I don't need to save that. I could have recycled it. I don't need to save it. I'm gonna wipe down this counter where wouldn't that be just great if we could just cover up the dirt with the stuff, but you can't. So, because that is how I was getting mice, is because they enjoyed the fact that I was leaving them morsels and not giving a care. And yes, I know, that's gross. The whole thing is gross. That's why I'm taking care of it. That's why I'm dealing with me now. Okay, let's go. You can stare at my light while I grab the thing. You see my butt? See me bend over? No, you can't see my butt. Now I can start peeling tape and packaging and stuff. I will probably have an issue with it being too close to the wall. Every appliance likes to be far away from the wall because electricity is hot. Start peeling the tapes off of it, and then we could see inside and see what goes on in there too. I am so curious about that, and I don't mind sharing that with you. Tape. One more tape on the inform tips. All dishwashers have been factory tested to ensure proper operation, so it's normal to find a small amount of residual water in the dishwasher machine, and it will not affect the normal use of the product. Please don't worry. Don't worry. Do I need that sticker? Do I need it? Because I think I can wear. I think I'm going to worry about a whole lot of like water in the bottom of my tested machine to make sure it works. You know. It may have been a refurbished. Remove before use. Oh, okay. So the film on the little digital thing has to be removed too. Or is it just the sticker? No, the film, I think. Yep, here it goes. I don't like to peel stuff. It's just how I am. When I was a kid, I'd get in the kitchen and I'd peel all the labels off the soup cans and all the cans in the thing. And my dad and my mom said, you're going to go in there and you're going to cook yourself a meal with absolutely everything that you've peeled the labels off of. And you're going to mix it all together and you're going to eat it. I don't remember what was in it, but I don't think I enjoyed it. Oh. Caution. Be careful, the high temperature. Forbid opening the door and touching the glass when the dishwasher is running. Forbid it. Well, I guess it did come from China. Tell me forbid it. You're in the plastic bag. You're going to die. And then these little, I always want to save these because they look like they could do something. But I don't need it. I'm not going to plug it in now. I'm going to uncoil it. Get off of there, you son of a gun. And put the cord up here so that when I'm not using it, but you know I'm going to use the dang thing. Does it? Oh, it might have. Oh, wait a minute, guys. It's legit like a washer, man. This is really nice. How long it lasts. And there's a dirty dish for you. We'll see how long it lasts. Because you know me and, well, some people don't know me and stuff, but. That's going to bug me, that little piece of tape. I have to read the instructions, of course, because that's how you learn how to use things. Oh, I know what that is. That's the filler cup. You use that to fill it. Now, to use the filtered water I drink or not to use it. Because I don't use filtered water. That piece of tape's going to bother me too. Because I don't use the filter water to wash my dishes. Because I figure whatever's in it is going to... It's not nothing nasty. It's just lime. Really. But I don't enjoy thinking that I'm eating rocks or drinking rocks. There's the hose I was looking for, I think. Come on. That basket, I'm not sure what it's for. I'll have to read the instructions, but there's the inlet hose, which I'm not going to use. I'm going to use the bucket. And then there's the drainage hose, which is good because it's going to be right there. I don't think it's going to bother that thing to have those pieces of plastic there, but it's going to bother me. I'll have to figure out. I think these is for silverware, but maybe you're supposed to stick the silverware in the top here and it stays, but whatever. And this is a cup rack. It feels pretty industrial, yeah. No, I don't see any residual water in there, but move. That's a pretty nice machine there. Awesome. I think I'm going to have to read the instructions to figure out, because I was the dishwasher when I was the kid. When I was a kid. So I've used them I went downstate, and my friend that I went downstate with, he looks at me and he goes, I was very, very young, in my 20s. And he said, I started doing dishes in the sink, and he says, we have a dishwasher right here. I said, yeah. So I started doing the dishes again, and he's like, I didn't know how to use it. Okay. There's that book of instructions. Oh, I was saying I like these, but these have holes in them. I like these because I cover my my windows in them in the winter time. That one has holes in them, so it'll probably just become a cat food garbage bag. I save smaller ones like these if they're thicker, like these Ziploc bags if they're thicker. Because I use it. I take my phone in the bathtub and I soak in the tub and I scroll. So, let's see here. I don't want to know the safety instructions right now. I don't know. Okay. Fruit basket. Oh! I could put my fruits in there and wash them. I'll need to find a place for that. Okay. Water pitcher, inlet hose, water drain, hose clamp, silicone cup, and user manual. Silicone cup, is it up here? No. Okay. I didn't get a silicone cup. Whatever that means. Maybe it's in the thing already. Cutlery basket. Installation! We don't need the hose. We need the drain hose. Connect one end with the L shape of the water drain hose to the water outlet connector, then screw it lightly in the hose clamp. Screwdriver not included. Well, that's great because I have a whole bunch of them anyway. Drilling a hole in the counter is required. Oh, bull crap it is. Though I could if I wanted to. Let's close this back. I probably should have left the tape on it. That's why I said I'm putting the thing over here. Because there's got to be a place. There it is. There it is. Oh, there's the suction cup. Oh, that makes a neat sound. And they want you to do the... I wish I had my harness. You could see what I was doing. I want you to stick this where the sun don't shine. Right here. And then I'm pretty sure they want you to go like that. Oh, what am I dropping? I'm going to stay on there. That's going to worry me. I'm going to be like, is it draining? Is it not? What's going on? And I pretty much need to unstick that so I can move it. Oh, that's what fell down. The lid, because I didn't re-screw it in. This big pan is in the way. That big pan, I bought dish soap for that. It's pretty. I'm like, oh, it's pretty. And I don't know. Let's see. It says watermelon, so let's smell it. I haven't smelled it yet. It smells like baby shampoo, like kids shampoo that kids watermelon shampoo. So let's see here. Where is that thing? Pretty much, I think they just want you to go. Like that, and make it stick to your sink so that, come on, maybe it's too wet. Stick to your sink. Okay, so it says here, move the large food scraps, place the tableware in the dishwasher. It's normal. Okay, that's fine. Okay, where do you put the soap? I know you have to have soap for it. I mean, really? Well, put the water in. Oh. Open the door, add moderate detergent powder or one-piece detergent block into the machine. Close the door. No detergent, one fruit. Do they really think I'm going to put dishwasher detergent on my fruit? Are there people out there that don't know not to do that? I mean, people that are going to be buying one of these? Well, whatever. So, It just says put it in. So I am going to put it in that circle thing right there because I don't know what that is either. I haven't read the manual yet. So it says 1 block. See, I got 14 of them. I'm a sniffer. 1 block. And the water. Because in my mind, I think it's not going to lime up faster because I'm using the just drain it into my sink method. Oh, that's going to be a pain in the neck too, so I'm going to have to pull it out every time, but there's nowhere else to put this thing, so... One of my actual goals, again, because I know I have that mouse problem, is to get like plastic cubbies to be able to put my dishes in. Not even plugging that in yet. Maybe if I put you on the dishwasher. Okay, here's this. I'm excited to get my coffee maker clean because I was hand washing in it and it wasn't doing anything. I mean, it was doing something, but it still looks greasy. And we're gonna test it out on my coffee pot. Oh, that isn't gonna want to stay in there. Is this open? Does this even open? I don't think it does. Oh, it does. I guess maybe, no. Put on this upper rack. See if that works. But I'm not gonna just like... My dishes didn't enjoy being knocked out either. I mean, my silverware. So we're going to put that here. This cup can go in there. We can just... So yeah, here is Tressa downstate getting laughed at by people because, and this isn't really any of my people. No, they are not in my life anymore. We'll just say that. Not the people that know me. They're still in my life, but this dude ain't in my life no more. It's been many years since Well, we're going to just say it's my second daughter's father, and I told him he'd be eating his anatomy for dinner if he ever talked to me again. The reason I told him that is because she ended up being an adoption case where I had to put her up for adoption. And you don't take a woman's baby away from them. Well, it looks like half of what I had ready to do, so... Oh yeah, I gotta plug it in too. I'm nervous, you guys. Why am I nervous? Why am I nervous? I'm nervous because I think that I'm not nervous about that. Nervous about it. But I think I don't deserve things like this. And I get them for myself and I'm like, okay. Maybe I can fit that bowl on here. That'll maybe work. Got it all filled up. I'm still nervous about the bike. I talk about it. I'm not bragging about it. But did I need it? Eventually, yeah. But did I need it now? Well, I had the opportunity. But I worry about stuff like that. Plug the microwave. Did you hear? Ding! It says power. Mode. 69 degrees. Woohoo, normal. Quick. Eco. Strong. Fruit. We're going to do strong. It's 89 degrees. Then I guess we just push. I guess we just push play. Why? Maybe something's in the way. Maybe I overfilled it. I just don't know about these things. We're good. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Did I put the hole or the soap in the wrong spot? Maybe I did that. Ew. You know what it feels like? What that soap thingy feels like? Oh, maybe stuff's touching where the blade would be. Coming. Oh, maybe that's in the way. Let's try it now. It had a light on it. A blue light. A blue light special. Does it have to heat up maybe? I didn't read the full instructions. Don't throw the instructions out. It says, and then add the water. Okay. Maybe it's the... It said something about adding the tableware during washing. Maybe it's that thing. Try it out. No. Something's stopping it. And I don't know what it is. The thing looks like it wants to spin. It's doing a whole heck of a lot of humming, but nothing else. Hi, Tweak a Baby Hannah Boy. Alright, well, you saw what was in the box, and now that I'm having idiot issues, problem between chair and desk or whatever, I guess I'll see you when I actually get it working, or I'll see you later. Thanks for unboxing it with me.